Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious spinach egg white frittata. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 5 ounces of fresh spinach, 1 cup of liquid egg whites, and your preferred seasonings like salt and pepper. This recipe is perfect for a healthy breakfast or a light meal, offering a fantastic way to enjoy a protein-packed dish with vibrant greens. Let's get cooking. First, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a 10-inch oven-safe, non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add the 5 ounces of fresh spinach. Sauté the spinach for about 2 minutes, stirring occasionally until it completely wilts down. This step concentrates the spinach flavor and removes excess moisture, ensuring your frittata isn't watery. It's a quick and essential part of the process. Now, evenly pour the 1 cup of liquid egg whites directly over the wilted spinach in the pan. Season generously with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Gently swirl the pan to ensure the egg whites are distributed. Transfer the pan to a preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven. This high heat helps the frittata set beautifully and quickly. Bake the frittata for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the center is completely set and firm to the touch. You can gently press the middle to check for doneness. Once baked, carefully remove the pan from the oven and let the frittata cool for about 5 minutes. This cooling period allows it to firm up further before you slice it into 6 equal wedges. Enjoy your delicious, healthy frittata.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.